Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about Flexbox layout or flexible box layout. People say flex layout also. It's the same. So it is really huge change, huge different, big update in CSS and web development field. It changed. It has founded 2009. So until that time, I would like to just to know something about web development. How was it happen? So basically, HTML has founded 1999. So this is the first web page has launched in World Wide Web. This is the first web page. So you can see how is the interface. It is only with HTML. The Yahoo page was very famous those days, not like Google. Yahoo was the most famous email and email and search engine and news also. It most famous was Yahoo. But today Yahoo is not so famous that today Google is the most famous one. Google website has started in 1998, first interface. Then after that, if you say that Amazon has its founded 1995, but it was not so famous. It was famous for really for book selling books. But after that, eBay was the most famous website to sell, buy and sell. Really, it was really famous once upon a time. But today it is not really famous like Amazon now. However, this is their first web page, but it is really not so bad. Even it is 1995, they have used kind of nice interface. This is the situation. This is the Amazon website. You can see how simple it is. So this is the web history. Then after that, like 1997, 1998, the Media Query has founded. Then after that, Flexbox has founded 2009. So I'm not talking about a big history about HTML and CSS or web development, but we should know at least something about the basic, because of otherwise we don't know what is Flex, what is the different it has done. Flex start 2009. 2009 they have founded Flex. Then before Flex, really these are the most useful things. The table is normally we are using table to design table of the templates, but I'm meaning we use table to create pages, templates like this way. Templates we can create using table. So table were very important times ago. It was like 1990s and starting of 2000. We use table. We use HTML, CSS also. Then we mostly use table also to create template like this way, which web template. Then after that, 1998, they have found Media Query. So I have created video. The previous video was about Media Query. Media Query was really nice CSS development. So I have shown in that video how to create a nice responsive website using Media Query easily. Right. So if you didn't watch that video, you can watch that video. It is in this channel. So Media Query was really helpful to those days also. Developers wanted to find a way to create responsive web pages, websites, because there were different kind of screen of computers, and the mobile technology was not so much like today, but a small computer, big computer. So they wanted to find a solution for that responsiveness. These properties were very important. However, it was a huge they did a huge a change of web development sector and display and position and float especially help a lot to create templates and content of the template responsiveness same as nice kind of web pages. Frameworks, there are a lot of framework also for CSS, so those are also really helpful, especially it is a very famous framework from Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a very famous framework. It is 100% free, so you can use nice web pages, web templates using Bootstrap. So they are giving all the features for the web development, web templates, and other templates also, other framework also. There are a lot of features, a lot of things. Most of are free, so then you can use. But maybe you have a question why I should use that. I should learn about Flex or grid system. Grid, we will talk about grid in the future after this video. Then maybe you have a question. I will give you an answer. As an example, if I say you like a stock market, I'm creating a website for stock market. So this kind of project, when we are creating, we need to do lot of unique features. So when we use a framework, we can't manipulate how we want everything. We are limited. So mostly we can use what they have given us to do. We can't change their properties. It is normal. It is a framework. So we have to accept what they have given us. So we can't change their things. So that in that case, we need a solution. That's why we are using Flex and Grid, like those systems, to create complex, huge project. So not only for huge project, you can do normal websites also using this Flex or Grid system. So we have to use Flexbox properties mainly, but width and height and those kind of common things we can use. Color, display color, background color, we have to use. But for the template design, we have to use Flexbox properties. So I will show you in practical background how to use Flexbox, then how to start it very simple way. So this is about Flexbox. So we will discuss later on what are the viewport size and everything, right? So don't worry about anything. I just explain what is the Flexbox.